Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys plantain and egg pizza. Easy and super yummy. And to all my returning subscriber, thank you and may God bless you all. And if you are new on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this family. Turn the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, guys, I will take up the piece of this plantain. So the recipe is so few, but the few recipe, it will be on my description box. Feel free to check it out. So you can slice or dice it into any shape you desire. So once I am done, I will sprinkle a little water on it. Go ahead and sprinkle a little salt, very little, so that it will not be salting. So the oil is already hot. Then I will start to fry. So I will use my fork to spread it so that it will not lap each other. So while it's frying, I will go ahead and slice my veggie. And I'm going to be using three types, but I only need half from each of them. So which is 1.5. I only need the Scotch Bonnet pepper, only one. And I think it's not too necessary to put too much pepper, but depends your choice. And especially if your kids is going to eat from it, make sure the pepper is not really too much on it. Guys, after this video, if you give it a try, you will see that any ripe plantain you are going to be having, you will not love to use it in any other method. So our plantain is golden brown already. Wow, so lovely, well looking. So I will just set it aside. I will allow it to get cool a little. So I'm also going to be slicing the Scotch Bonnet pepper. I'm using just one and not a big one, a medium size. So I also need half onions also. I will also slice and add to the same bowl. Please help me to share the video. I also need spring onions. This has already been washed. I will also slice and add to the same bowl. So I need 6 eggs, medium size, 6 medium size of egg for this plantain pizza. So I'll go ahead and spice it. So this is mixed spices. This is seasoning powder, and this is salt to taste, but little. I'll go ahead, I will whisk it together so that it will be well combined. So the next thing, I'm going to saute the veggies now. Can you see the amount of oil I'm having? It's really little. I'm using olive, but you can use any veggie of your choice. Even coconut oil, margarine. You can use any one of your choice. You will still get the same results. I'll take a little portions out for garnishing. So now I'm going to pour the egg straight to the veggies now. So I will stir it. So at this point, I'm going to allow it to simmer just about 2 minutes. But make sure you are working with a low heat at this point. So I will arrange it gently, just like what you are seeing, guys. Please, if you like this video that you are seeing, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please also drop your comment. It goes a long way. Encourage your girl, your sister, please. So can you see how it's going? Wow, so colorful. I love it. Guys, this is really so tasteful. When I finish it, I decided to say, okay, let me have a taste of it. Oh my God. I almost finish it. In case you are doing it for a large family, what you just need to do, you just double the plantain and every other thing that you are seeing there. Okay? So I'm going to flip it now. So it will make it more easier. When you are doing this, make sure you are using a very low heat. So it's ready. It's ready, guys. Now it's time to taste. Wow. Oh my God, this is super easy to make, but delicious, delicious, delicious. In fact, I don't know how to say it. So see you soon again for my next video. Thank you for watching.